Today I'm practicing mindfulness and making neurographic art. First, I'll write my name small in the bottom corner of my paper. Since I'm using a Sharpie marker today, I don't want to put my name on the back because it will bleed through the paper. Now I'm drawing some long, looping, crisscrossing lines all over my paper. I'm not trying to draw something recognizable, I'm just drawing lines. I'm drawing slowly and carefully. I'm definitely not scribbling. In fact, I even sped up the video here and it doesn't even look fast. That's how slow and careful I was going. Now that all of the lines have been drawn, it's time to add transitions. I'm looking for all of the intersections, the places where the lines cross each other. And I'm adding darkened curved shapes in the corners of those intersections. These are called transitions, and they represent the connections between neurons in the brain. Neurons help your brain communicate with the rest of your body. You'll have to draw transitions at all of the intersections, so take your time and do your best. Be mindful and relax. Now it's time to add some color. I'm going to find each section between the lines and outline them with color. I'm not going to color it all in, I'm just outlining around the edges. Notice how my outlines are thick and they're taking me some time to do. If I just drew a thin line inside of a section, kind of like this, that wouldn't be enough. I need to fill it in to make it thicker. You can use any color scheme you want, but I want you to use at least 2 colors. That means you can't just use one color. You can use 2 or 3 or every color in the marker cup. It's up to you. Now that my sections are outlined with color, it's time to fill them in. I have a cup of water and a paintbrush, and I'm dipping my paintbrush in the water and gently brushing it over one section at a time. Notice how the marker lines turn into paint and fill the section in. Try really hard not to mix up the colors on your paper, so it's good to dip your brush back in the water before you paint over a different colored section. And that's why we should only do one section at a time and not just swipe the brush over the entire paper at once. Then all the colors would get mixed up. Just remember, be mindful, relaxed, and do your best.